Planning to move to Kingston, Jamaica? Get ready for an exciting adventure in the heart of the Caribbean. Kingston, the capital city of Jamaica, beckons with its vibrant culture, picturesque landscapes, and a pulsating energy that's hard to resist. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to explore all that this city has to offer. From the bustling streets of downtown Kingston to the serene beauty of the Blue Mountains, we'll give you a glimpse of the diverse experiences that await you. We'll guide you through the process of finding a place to call home and help you navigate the nuances of the local culture. Whether you're drawn to the rhythm of reggae, the taste of jerk chicken, or the thrill of cricket matches, Kingston has something for everyone. So buckle up as we take you through a comprehensive guide on moving to Kingston, Jamaica. Kingston, the capital of Jamaica, is a vibrant city teeming with culture, history, and life. Imagine a place where the sun shines bright, the people are as warm as the climate, and life moves to the rhythm of reggae. That's Kingston for you. With a population of nearly 1 million, this bustling metropolis is the cultural heartbeat of the island. From the pulsating music scene that gave birth to reggae, to the tantalizing food that will have your taste buds dancing, Kingston is a city that knows how to leave an impression. And let's not forget the famous landmarks. The Bob Marley Museum, Devon House, and Port Royal are just a few of the must-visit places that echo the city's rich history and vibrant culture. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a music lover, Kingston has something for everyone. Kingston, in all its vibrancy, offers a unique experience that is sure to make your move worthwhile. Finding a place to live in Kingston can be quite an adventure. There's a kaleidoscope of neighborhoods, each with its own unique charm and character. From the vibrant streets of New Kingston to the serene beauty of Norbrook, the city has something for everyone. When it comes to renting or buying a house, you'll find a variety of options. Apartments, townhouses, standalone homes. Kingston's real estate market is diverse and dynamic. But remember, it's not just about the structure, it's about the lifestyle it affords. So whether you're looking for a contemporary apartment in the city center or a cozy family home, make sure it aligns with your lifestyle and needs. Now let's talk about what to consider when choosing a place to live. First and foremost, think about proximity to amenities. Do you want to be within walking distance of shops, restaurants, and nightlife? Or would you prefer a quiet neighborhood with easy access to parks and recreational facilities? It's all about striking a balance between convenience and comfort. Safety is another crucial factor. While Kingston is generally safe like any city, it has areas that are more secure than others. Do some research, talk to locals, or consult with a real estate agent to get a feel for the neighborhood's safety profile. Remember, it's also essential to consider the cost of living. Kingston offers a range of options from budget-friendly to luxury, but it's important to choose a place that fits your financial comfort zone. Lastly, don't rush the process. Take your time to explore, ask questions, and weigh your options. Consider short-term rentals initially, giving you the flexibility to change your mind if another area catches your eye. With the right information and guidance, finding your new home in Kingston can be a smooth and exciting process. So gear up for this adventure because Kingston is waiting to welcome you with its warm sunshine and vibrant culture. Now that you've found your new home, it's time to immerse yourself in the rich Jamaican culture. Kingston, the heart and soul of Jamaica, is steeped in a vibrant tapestry of culture that is as warm and inviting as its tropical climate. From the language and customs to the music and cuisine, every aspect of life here is a celebration of the island's spirit. One of the first things you'll notice is the language. English is the official language, but you'll primarily hear patois, a unique blend of English, African dialects, and other languages spoken on the streets. It's a rhythmic, musical language that reflects the soul of the island. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Just smile, nod, and soon enough, you'll start picking up phrases. Next, let's talk about the customs and traditions. Jamaicans are known for their warm hospitality and strong sense of community. Respect for elders is deeply ingrained in the culture, so always show deference to your elders. And remember, a friendly greeting goes a long way. Now let's dig into the local cuisine. Jamaican food is a delicious blend of flavors with influences from Africa, Europe, India, and China. From spicy jerk chicken to the sweet and tangy ackee and saltfish, the national dish, this is a foodie's paradise. Don't forget to wash it down with a cold red stripe beer or a glass of rum punch. Music and festivals are integral to Jamaican culture. From the pulsating beats of reggae to the energetic rhythms of dancehall, music is everywhere in Kingston. And throughout the year, you'll find a host of festivals celebrating everything from music and food to art and culture. These are wonderful opportunities to mingle with locals and experience the vibrant cultural scene. Finally, a few tips on interacting with locals. Jamaicans are generally friendly and welcoming, but they also appreciate respect and good manners. So always be polite, respect personal space, and remember to say please and thank you. Understanding and embracing the local culture is key to enjoying your new life in Kingston. Moving to Kingston, Jamaica can be a life-changing experience. You've learned a lot today, so let's take a moment to reflect. Kingston, a city teeming with vibrant culture and history, awaits you. It's a place where the rhythm of reggae music fills the air and the warmth of its people is infectious. Finding the right place to live might seem daunting, but as we've discussed, there are numerous options available to suit every lifestyle. Whether you prefer the hustle and bustle of the city or the peaceful retreats in the suburbs, Kingston has it all. Understanding the local culture, from the laid-back lifestyle to the spicy and flavorful food, will be an enriching experience. Embrace the local customs and traditions, and you'll soon find yourself feeling right at home. To wrap it up, moving to a new place always comes with its own set of challenges. But with the right preparation and an open mind, you're set to embark on an exciting new journey in Kingston, Jamaica. And remember, Black Expats and Repats in Jamaica are here to help. Visit our website burjamaica.com to join our community or schedule a consultation. Good luck!